After staying on the sidelines for much of last year, India's retail investors are returning to the stock market. In just the first 6 months of 2026, they invested more than 57,000 crore rupees into Indian equities, a sharp turnaround from a year ago. So what is bringing them back? Market experts say investor confidence has gradually improved. One reason is the easing of geopolitical tensions in June, which helped calm global markets and improve sentiment. Domestic markets have also remained resilient despite global uncertainty, encouraging retail investors to return. But this isn't a return to indiscriminate buying. Investors are being far more selective, focusing on specific sectors and fundamentally strong companies rather than chasing the broader market. In other words, confidence is returning but cautiously. According to exchange data, retail investors invested 57,203 crore rupees in Indian equities during the first half of 2026. That's a sharp jump from just 1,884 crore rupees during the same period last year. The recovery is particularly notable because retail investors had turned net sellers in 2025, recording an outflow of 1,715 crore rupees after 5 consecutive years of net buying. The improving sentiment is also reflected in market performance. The Nifty gained more than 1.3% in June, and the momentum has continued into the first week of July. But not every indicator points to a full-fledged revival. The IPO market has remained subdued this year, while the pace of new demat account openings has slowed. In May 2026, around 2.2 million new demat accounts were opened, lower than the 6-month average of 2.7 million. That suggests investors are returning, but with greater caution than during the post-pandemic bull run. Another important pillar has been domestic institutional investors or DIIs. Driven largely by mutual funds, DIIs invested 4.7 trillion rupees in Indian equities during the first half of 2026, compared with 3.57 trillion rupees in the same period last year. Their steady buying has continued to provide a strong cushion for the market during periods of global volatility. So, retail investors are returning to Dalal Street, but this time they are chasing quality, not just momentum. Whether this revival gathers pace in the second half of the year will depend on corporate earnings, global developments, and whether investor confidence continues to improve. Follow Business Standard for more stories.